Today we're gonna talk about the dragon fruit support system. Dragon fruit is getting more common to grow in our areas. This cement pipe, is buried around 1 foot, and inside of it we filled it with rocks and pebbles. We left around 2-3 inches from the top, grabbed a water bottle, split it in half, and used it as a form. We inserted 2 rods diagonally in a motorcycle tire, and then we filled, after taping the bottle to the pipe and making sure there are no leaks, we filled it up with cement. We let it dry for a day. This is 1 day old, and the cement is still a bit soft. It hasn't strength enough. It hasn't got enough strength. So we remove the water bottle that was here, so it dries up. Cement needs a couple of days to get out all the strength when it dries up. Now the dragon fruit will grow up this pipe. It will grow air shoots, but a little support by tying it to the pipe is needed, like we have here. So it will be in contact. When it grows up, we will have to tie this one also like this, and when it grows, it keeps on going. When we reach around 1 or 2 years, when it reaches here, it tries to grow over, but the weight is a bit in the air, so it will support itself here. So it will go over, it will be like an umbrella, it will cover itself, and fruit will start developing here. Usually we need around 2-3 years for fruits, and these are self-fertile cuttings. We have one which is red, another which is yellow, and the other one at the back is the normal white one. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.